Hello guys, welcome to this video, and to this video we are going to discuss about Java input and output. So this is the basic input and output, guys. So we are going to discuss first the output. So in this case, we are using the println to print the Java programming is interesting. So we will try to run. So this is the output. So pag mag-output tayo guys, we have used different method. Ito yung method is. Ito yung system pala is a class, and then ito yung public function na may method na println. So ano po yung kaibahan or difference ng dalawa? Yung println at saka printline at saka print lang na method. So yung print lang is yung print na may parenthesis dito is it's print string inside the quotes. And then itong print line is it prints string inside the quotes, similar like print method. Then the cursor moves to the beginning of the next line. So yung example, comment natin to. Yung example dito guys is yan, comment natin. So, meron ditong example guys na nagpi-print ng value. So meron tayong example na print line na dalawa at saka yung print lang. So pag i-run natin to, yung lumalabas dito is yung una nagprint siya, tapos yung cursor niya nilagay niya sa new line. Kaya pag print nito, yan, naging sa new line lang siya nagsimula. Yung kaibahan naman sa print, pag print niya ng string at saka nagprint siya, pero yung cursor hindi siya nag-move sa next line. Kaya pag execute dito, nag-print lang siya ng second print dito sa same line niya. So ayan guys, I hope you'll learn a lot about output. So yung una nating discuss yung output. In the next video guys, we are going to discuss the input. So see you on next video.